I have learned through AIPCA Gakarara in Kandara church leadership that His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta, the President of the Republic of Kenya, will be joining the Christians in Kandara at Gakarara during the Holy Oil celebrations, that is on 14th of April 2022. The last time His Excellency the President visited Kandara was on 29th of December 2019 during the burial of Honorable Charles Rubia here at Gitura, Keno. This current visit is a day when the Holy Oil celebration, which is a very significant ceremony for the Christians all over, worldwide. The family of the Christian family of Kandara and the entire Kandara fraternity, residents of Kandara. I want to therefore welcome the President, but avoid politicizing this event or this visit. I take this early opportunity to welcome His Excellency the President to Kandara. We shall be on standby. I will be on standby to receive him.